We'll guide you through how to fix Google Drive's slow upload speed. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. You need to make sure you're signed into your account. Check if your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can slow down uploads significantly. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection for better performance. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as these can sometimes interfere with upload speeds. In Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the top right, go to More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then hit Clear Data. Now, try pausing any other uploads or downloads that might be happening on your network, as these can hog bandwidth and slow down your Google Drive uploads. If possible, upload during off-peak hours when internet traffic is lower. Also, consider compressing your files into a zip folder before uploading, as smaller files upload faster. If you continue to experience issues, go to the Google Drive settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right, then click Settings. Under General, ensure that Convert Uploads is unchecked, as converting files during upload can slow down the process. Lastly, make sure your browser is up to date, as updates often include performance improvements that can help with upload speeds. Keeping these steps in mind should significantly improve your Google Drive upload speeds. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.